Morning students. Today we will do the exercise of chapter 1. We have already read the chapter in our previous classes. Okay. So first student, do pause your video and open page number 41 14 in your book. Okay. Now let's start doing exercise. First one is tick the correct option. See, the data and the instructions are known as data and instructions when you give to the computer, to the CPU, are known as input, right? Take the correct input. Second one, a set of instructions written in a computer language is called, first one data, second program, and third one information. So the second one is program. Take correct. Now the third one is this is an input device. Which is one of these? Our input is input device, scanner, CD-ROM or monitor. See, scanner. Okay student, now come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks. There are some hints are given below. Okay, so we will fill them in our sentences. First one is dash printers creates an image on a printer by striking the paper with metal. See student, there are two printers. Okay, impact printer and non-impact printer. So see, here is written on a paper by striking. It means the answer will be impact. Which printer student? Impact. Next one. This helps to put your image into the computer when you are connected to the internet. Means student, when you are using the internet and you want to put your image. Okay, so which device is used here? Webcam. Second one, webcam. Third one, this is a pointing device which is used to play games on the computer. So, which is used to play games on the computer? Pointing device is joystick. Next one, the image that we see on the monitor are made up of tiny dots are called. So student, you know the tiny dots are known as pixel. Means the image quality of image depend on the pixels. Higher the pixels range will increase the image quality. Okay, so write pixels. Next one, CPU is also called. CPU is also called student what? Processor. CPU, processing na. So here microprocessor. Now the next exercise is true false. Okay student, here see, CPU is the heart of every computer. So tell me student, CPU is heart or brain of every computer. So this statement is wrong. Now, speaker is an input device. Student, normally speaker is used to listen the music. So it is the output, not input device. So this statement is again wrong. Right here, false. Next one, graphic tablet is used to directly draw on the computer screen. Yes student, you can directly draw on the screen. Okay, so this statement is correct. True. Now CPU has two components, CU and DU. Students, CPU has three components: CU control unit, ALU arithmetical logical unit, and MU. So there is no DU unit. Okay, so this statement is again wrong. Now, student, we will do the question answers. So, open your computer notebook and start doing questions answer. Student, first there are two types of question answer: short answer type questions and long answer type question. So, first write heading short answer type questions. Okay, now the first question is, what is a computer? So, student, you know what is a computer? Computer is a machine that accepts input, process the input and produce the output. Means computer एक मशीन है जो इनपुट एक्सेप्ट करती है, प्रोसेस करती है और आउटपुट जनरेट करती है. So start writing answer and write in good handwriting in your notebook. Okay, student. So start. A computer is an electronic device which accepts data given by the user as input process the data and produce the result, and then produce the result as output. Okay, student. Now start doing second question. What is a touch screen? Student, draw the partition line after each question answer. Second one. What is a touch screen? Now start writing. So touch screen is basically any device that is sensitive to touch. So start writing. A touch screen can interact by touching areas on the screen. Touching areas on the screen. Means any device which is sensitive to touch. Or how can you interact with that device? Simply by touching areas on the screen, just like the ATM machine. You touch that and it start operating, working. Okay, student? Now start writing. Next heading, long answer type questions. Now the first question is, for the long answer, there is, what are the basic functions of a computer? Means computer के main 3 main functions क्या हैं? Means input करता है computer, process करता है and then produce output. So what are the basic functions? Basic functions of a computer. So the answer, only first, computer what do? Input, then process. After processing, computer generate output, and once the output get generated, then it store the output in storage devices, then store information. Store information. The question number 2 is, what are the limitations of the computer? So student, there are some disadvantage, like some limitations of a computer. Okay, means what computer does not have, computer के पास क्या क्या नहीं है. So we will write some limitations of computers. So first one is lack of decision making ability. Means computer does not take decision on its own. Means computer अपने आप कोई भी decision नहीं ले सकता है. Lack of decision making ability. Second one, लैक ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. मीन्स कंप्यूटर की अपना कोई दिमाग नहीं होता है. लैक ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. थर्ड वन, लैक ऑफ फीलिंग एंड इमोशंस. मीन्स कंप्यूटर डोंट हैव एनी फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस. Fourth one is computer take time in planning and programming. Time taking in planning and programming. So, student, you write down all the answer in good handwriting. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.